If you want to become a blockchain developer, you're in the right place. Today, I'm sharing a complete blockchain roadmap. I'll walk you through the essential skills you need, the tools I personally recommend, and how much time you should spend on each. Assuming you dedicate 3 to 5 hours of studying every day, this roadmap should take you about 8 to 10 months to complete. Let's jump right in. First, I want to give a quick shout out to our newest members. Edgars, Christian, Bluff Gibbon, Shailesh, Joe. Thank you so much for joining this channel and supporting me. You're awesome. By the way, if you're new here, welcome. This channel is all about helping you build a strong foundation in coding and land your dream tech job. I create practical, no-fluff tutorials, roadmaps, and career advice to help you succeed. If that sounds good, hit subscribe and check out the other videos on this channel. The first step to learning blockchain development is to pick up a programming language. The two most popular languages for blockchain development are Python and JavaScript. Python is the easiest to learn and is widely used in blockchain scripting. JavaScript is common for front-end development and Web3 frameworks, which we'll talk about later in this video. If you're starting out, stick to one language, preferably Python, so you don't get confused. After learning Python, picking up JavaScript will be much faster. If you study and code 3 to 5 hours a day, you can learn the basics of either language in about 2 months. Now, to help you on this journey, I've created a free supplementary PDF that breaks down the specific concepts you need to learn for each skill. It's a great resource to review your progress, find gaps in your knowledge, and prepare for interviews. You can find the link in the description box. By the way, I have a bunch of tutorials on this channel and complete courses on my website if you're looking for structured learning. Again, links are in the description box. The next thing you need to learn is a version control system like Git. Git is not a programming language. It's a tool we use to track changes to our code and collaborate with others. Git and GitHub, which is a platform that hosts Git repositories, are essential for every developer. Git has a ton of features, but you don't need to know them all for everyday use. Think of it like the 80-20 rule. 80% of the time, you use 20% of Git's features. 1 to 2 weeks of practice is enough to get up and running. Again, I have a bunch of tutorials on this channel and complete courses on my website if you prefer structured learning. The next step is studying data structures and algorithms. This is one of the topics taught to computer science students that a lot of self-taught developers skip and is often asked in job interviews. It's particularly important for blockchain development because in blockchain development, every operation can have a cost. So you have to learn how to process and store data efficiently, and this is where data structures come into the play. You have to use the right data structure for the right problem. So make sure to study the classic data structures like arrays, linked lists, stacks, queues, and so on. Spend about a month or 2 on this and you'll be in great shape. Once you have a good grasp of blockchain fundamentals, you're ready to learn about smart contracts. These are programs that run on a blockchain, like little robots that follow specific rules and can't be changed once they're live. Now, Solidity is the most popular language for writing smart contracts on Ethereum. Don't let the name scare you. It's similar to other coding languages once you get the hang of it. You can practice using Remix IDE, which is a web-based development environment for Ethereum smart contracts. It's great for beginners because you can start coding and testing your smart contracts immediately without extensive local setup. Once you get comfortable writing simple contracts with Remix IDE, then I would recommend learning Hardhat for more professional and enterprise-level workflows. It's a popular local development environment for Ethereum smart contracts. It gives you a framework and a set of tools to build, test, deploy, and debug smart contracts more effectively. Spend about a month or 2 building small projects like a basic token or NFT. Now, once you build and deploy a smart contract to a blockchain network, then you need to allow users to interact with it, and this is where DApp or decentralized application development comes into play. A DApp is basically an application that looks and feels like a regular web or mobile app, but instead of having a single company server at the backend, it uses a blockchain network for its core operations. Now, to build a DApp, you have to learn a front-end framework for building user interfaces. We have a few tools here like React, Angular, and Vue, but React is the most popular tool for building user interfaces. Now, to learn React, you need to learn JavaScript and ideally TypeScript, which is a superset of JavaScript that is widely used in React projects these days. You can learn the essence of JavaScript and TypeScript in about 2 months, and then you need another month or 2 to learn React. Also, you should get familiar with Web3 libraries like Web3.js or Ethers.js for connecting your front-end application to the blockchain. So if you dedicate a few hours every day and follow this roadmap, you'll have the necessary knowledge to apply for an entry-level blockchain developer job in about 8 to 10 months. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments and I'll do my best to answer you right here or in my future videos. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe for more useful content.